Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at medyo maulan po ngayon but this won't stop us para magbigay po ng update. By the way, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Highview Haciendas at nasa likod po natin ang Aryan Bungalow. So yan po yung existing and current model unit dito sa Highview Haciendas which is located sa Barangay Santo Rosario, Magalang, Pampanga. At before we proceed on the further details of this subdivision, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Alam ko po excited na sila, kaya wag na po nating patagalin. Let's begin.
Ang Aryan Bungalow is a single attached model unit with at least 77 square meters lot area and a floor area of 32 square meters. Meron itong 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, kaya ideal ito for a starting family with at least 3 members. Meron din itong 1 carport kaya hindi mo na aalalahanin kung saan igagarahe ang inyong sasakyan. Sa frontage naman nito ay may 2 meters setback space. Ganun din sa likod, which serves as your service area or you may use as an extension for the utility kitchen or extension ng room. Mataas din ang height clearance na nasa estimated 9 feet. Open concept space. Kaya kita mo na ang formal living area. At formal dining area that can accommodate 4-seater dining table. When it comes sa toilet naman, it comes with a faucet, shower, lavatory, and water closet. Ang wall tile cladding naman sa shower area ay halfway lang. Pagdating naman po sa dalawang bedroom, yung ating master's bed, it can accommodate a double-size bed. While yung ating bedroom number 2, it can accommodate a single-size bed. Since may setback tayo sa harap na at least 2 meters, pwede nyo pong i-extend ang dalawang room or ipag-merge para makabuo kayo ng isang malaking room.
So nakita nyo na po at napanood nyo na po ang update ngayon dito sa Highview Hacienda, which is ang current available po natin are Block 17 and Block 2. Although konti na lang po yung units na available dito, pero don't worry, possible this coming August magkakaroon po tayo ng mga newly opened na units. Pero yun nga lang po, meron pong mga price increase. Expect po na magkakaroon ng 50 up to 100k na additional increase sa ating price sa kasalukuyan. By the way, yung mga amenities po natin dito, as you can see, we have the basketball court, the function hall, at saka yung parks and playground po natin. So if you have any question with regards to this project, please don't hesitate na mag-comment sa ating comment section or directly message us sa aming mobile number, WhatsApp, and Viber. Meron din po kaming Facebook and YouTube of course, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Kung may mga katanungan po kayo at mga details na hindi nabanggit, please message us. Once again, this is John Kevin Paunel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood at pagsubaybay. God bless and see you on the next video.